what's going on? I'm going to teach you a song. One of my songs called Even Though. Now, this is a song I wrote in a restaurant because I was bored one day and everybody was eating their meal and having a dandy old time, and I was the background guy. So, interestingly enough, a lot of my songs are written that way, sitting in restaurants. I'm the background musician guy and I just start noodling. And that's how this song was born. But to begin, the first thing you've got to know about the way I play guitar is I generally downtune all my strings one whole step. The reason why is because I'm a baritone singer, and for my voice it makes it a lot more comfortable for me to sing in a low key. So that being said, this string here is no longer E, but D. The B string is no longer B, but A. G is now become F. D has now become C, A has now become G, and E again has become D, just like your top string. Now, when I downtune, I like to use this wonderful little free app called Piano Tuner. Looks something like that, if you guys can get a glimpse. It's spelled P-A-N-O, Tuner, and you should be able to find it on the App Store or wherever it is you download apps if you have a Samsung phone. So let's get started. My friend Jason asked me to do a video of this, so here I am doing a video for you guys. When I start the song, I'm in the key of concert D minor, but on the guitar I'm playing in E minor, if that makes any sense at all. And the whole thing is a relationship between thirds or sixths, depending on how you want to look at it. I start here on C, which is the 8th fret of the 6th string, and I combine it with the third above, which is going to be an E. Basically, I'm on the 8th fret 6th string, and I'm on the 9th fret 3rd string. And I pretty much stay on those two strings throughout the whole song, or at least this particular section. And it's a back and forth conversation between the 6th string and the 3rd string. And then I slide them up. I'm on the 10th fret and the 11th fret, which is going to be our D chord. Then I go up to the 12th fret and the 12th fret. Again, I'm still on the 6th string and the 3rd string. Then I slide them backwards down to the 5th fret. 5 and 5. And then 3 and 4. 2 and 2. And then open and open. That's the foundation of the whole particular song, except for the bridge, which we'll get to in just a second. So again, I usually slide into that C. I'll play it twice. Twice on the D and then the high note above. Twice on the E and the high G above. And slide backwards. Okay, so I'm just giving you the basic foundation without all the little intricacies. Is that a word? Intricacies? Yes. Okay, G and B. There's that F sharp and that A, and then we're open, E and G. So again, when I start to complicate it a little bit more, there's more of a kind of a back and forth between the low note and the high note, which sounds like. So again, all I'm doing is low, high, low, slide, high, low, slide. Sounds like somebody's name. High, low, and then slide down to that A. High, low, slide to the G. You got that B, G, down to the F sharp, the A, F sharp, A, F sharp, and then I'm open down to that E minor. If you wanted to do a full E minor chord, you could, or just play those open strings, which are the 6th, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st. You can do that as well. So again, when I'm here on that C chord, I got that C and that E. So twice. So we're going C, C, E, slide. So without even playing the string, I'm just sliding into that D. C, C, E, and then I slide. And already within the slide, that D, that low D, is already being played. I've got my finger in place for that high, what is that, F sharp? And I play F sharp, D, and then slide to the E, G, E, and I've already played that low E. I slide down to the A, C, A, slide, B, G, slide, A, F sharp, E. And that's your basic foundation for even though. Even though at times I may not say so, I still love you. I still love you. Even though the words may betray my lips, I still love you. I still love you. Oh, I still love you. Okay, that's it. And it just repeats and repeats and repeats. I do add a lot of intricacies in between, but I'm not going to get into those right now. For now, we're just focused on the foundation. Now, we go through all of that several times before we get to the big, gigantic bridge where I sing on my knees, or is it off my knees? Something about knees. C chord formation. G chord formation, you don't have to put anything on top. Usually with my G, I'm happy with just a simple G and a B, and those open strings omitting the E string. And then I go to a lovely D F sharp, one of my favorite chords, which is really just a D chord in the first position, or in the first inversion. There we go, got it. So there's that D F sharp. So all I've done is I've taken a D chord, and I take this high F here, and I transfer it to the 2nd fret, 6th string, but I've got to rearrange my fingers to do it. So I've got 2nd fret, 6th string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 3rd fret, 2nd string. And that creates that D F sharp chord. Beautiful, right? So again, when I get to that bridge, off my knees, there's the 3rd time, but on the 4th, darling, ho, go to that D F sharp, but then I go to B7 chord for that 4th chord, and then work to E minor. So that B7 chord is just simply 2nd fret, 5th string, 1st fret, 4th string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, and 2nd fret, 1st string for that B7 chord. And then after that, we hit that E minor chord. So we just vamp on the E minor chord for a while. Hold, and then we're back to the same thing we had in the beginning. Okay, repeats. Go back up to that G, up to that A minor, down to the G, D F sharp, E minor, and that's the end of the song. All right, so if you like this little video and you'd like me to make more videos, comment below and I'll see what I can do about getting to them. And I hope you enjoy this, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one.